We're getting suited up for the first pitch of this multi-pitch. We made it to the first pitch, which was actually like 2 pitches. So we're going up on the second pitch, which would be more like the third pitch. We hiked straight up. See the cars over there? My car's down over there. We hiked straight up here through the shale. And then here's the start of the first pitch. And I'm definitely not the lead. And there's 3 pitches.
Pitch up there is tough to hear. So you kind of, if we can't hear you, is there a non-verbal communication thing you can do? Like we never take out the way until we get to the end of the rope.
Right. And then I'll just leave that. You know, there's a tug system, which everybody's a little bit different. I always say, as long as everybody is clear understanding what's going to be, that's really what matters.
Yep. I've gone off of just like once you start tugging, if you tug every 10 seconds continuously, that just means you are on belay.
Right.
So once you tug like.
But what happens if you need slack?
He can call us.
And that's Kevin on there. He's already bumming because he dropped his phone and it went all the way down there. It's best to have some way to secure your phone if you're going to climb with it. We're being quiet.
Sweet, good job.
It's not actually hard, it's just very extremely awkward.
It is.
So that's probably the hardest one of this pitch. I'm not looking forward to that. But I'll be going up next. We're about, I don't know, 6,000 or 7,000 feet high. Not where you want to lose your phone. So I'm holding onto mine tight and then putting it in my pack when I'm climbing. It's gorgeous out today, isn't it? We're going up there. Way up there. Hi everyone. Thanks for watching. I know that you were dying to find out how it was. We did the last pitch and it was an awesome last pitch. Super fun, very, very exposed. I wish we had photos from down below so you could see. I will post a couple photos that we took of our gang that did climb. But I'm going to turn it around so you can see how awesome it looked down there. I can't get too close to the edge, not because I don't want to, but my friends say that I scare them.
Yes.
But look how gorgeous it is. We are super high up. I would like to stand on that little knob right there and look down, but they won't let me, not without being tied in. But as you can see, well, you know what? I'm going to go this way. I'm not going to fall. Okay, here we go. I'm reaching out over. And you can see the cars down there. Woo. Kind of. Where'd they go? Okay, let me get to the road. There's the road. Okay. We'll go down towards the cars. And we can kind of see them down there. Kind of. Where are they? There they are. So, hey, I'm waving to you guys, but I need my hands. I'm holding on to rocks. And it is just, today was just the most beautiful day to get outside and do some climbing. I am not afraid of heights, but if you are, then probably not the thing for you to do. This was, they say 3 pitches, but the first pitch was 2 pitches in one. So technically it's 4 pitches. And we're up really, really high because each one requires like a 60-meter rope. So you guys do the math. There's our rest of the gang. There's Kevin. Channing's up there. And we're going to walk off now. It's going to take us about a half an hour to get back down to the cars off the back of this. So that'll be a nice, fun hike. Thanks for waving, you guys. Thanks for checking things out. We started this at around 10 o'clock this morning, and Do you guys know what time it is right now? It's 3:33. So yeah, that was a full day. I'm going home. I'm starving. I am so hungry. So thanks for checking this out. It's I can never remember the name of it. Classic Corner. What is it?
Outside corner.
Outside Corner. I'm never gonna remember that. So it's Outside Corner in Big Cottonwood. Don't do it if you have no experience, but if you have some experience, go with somebody who knows how to trad climb and have them take you up here, because what a great thing to do on a Friday. Have a great weekend, gang. I gotta show you this, you guys. So this is the area that we were climbing in, and there's a ridge that comes all the way across and then down through this shale, and that's how we can't back down. You cannot rappel down because you'll be leaving your gear. We climbed right here on this knife edge. It was so cool. But I gotta be honest, when the plans were made, I really thought I was gonna bail. I thought, I'm tired and I just want to sleep in, and I was gonna let Channing and Kevin go do it themselves. And I'm glad that I succumbed to FOMO and actually came out with them, because I totally would have regretted this, not being able to climb this thing. It's way exposed. It's epic. It was only about a 5.7 in most places. I think there might have been like a couple of sections that were 5.9. And these guys are good leaders. It took us a bit of time, but mostly because we were hanging out, chatting and stuff. But check that out. Climbed up to the very top.